asking help to God, you just to read the book of Psalm chapter 59, okay? This is the prayer for the safety, okay? Are you here, guys? Are you there, guys? Are you there, guys? Are you ready to hear some kind of reading of the Bible books, okay? So we have here in the chapter 59 verse 2, prayer for safety. Save me from those evil people. Rescue me from those murderers. So verse 3. Verse 3. Look, they are waiting to kill me. Cruel people are gathering against me. It is not because of any sin or wrong I have done. For nor because of any fault of mine, O Lord, that they hurry to their place. Natural Life with Althea, shout out. I have to read the books of Sam. I give you a blue jacket. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome to my lab, Natural Life with Althea. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You have already a blue jacket. If you want to hear some reading books of the Bible, I reading here now the books of the Bible from the books of Psalm chapter 59, and I have already done read the 1 to verse 3. So I have to continue to read this in the verse 5. Okay? And the verse 5, rise, Lord God Almighty, and come to my aid. See for yourself, God of Israel. Wake up and punish the heathen. Show no mercy to evil traitors. And verse 6, chapter 59, verse 6. Ano man? Thank you for the thumbs up. Natural Life with Althea. So you have already a blue jacket, a moderator. So please subscribe also my channel. Then let us continue to read the book of Psalm 59, verse 6. Verse 7. Listen to their insults and threats. Their tongues are like swords and their mouths, yet they think that no one hears them. Verse 8. But you laugh in them, Lord. You mock all the hidden. Verse 9. I have confidence in your strength. You are my refuge, O God. Verse 10. May God's love me and will come to me. Verse 11. Do not kill them, O God, or my people may forget. Scatter them by your strength and defeat them, O Lord, our protector. Verse 12. Sins is on their lips. All their words are sinful. May they be caught in their pride because they curse and lie. Verse 13 of chapter 9, Psalm. Destroy them in your anger. Destroy them completely. Then everyone will know that God rules in Israel, that these rules extend over all the earth. And verse 14, Kyle, ibalik na yung nasaksakan doon, tapos patay ng ilaw dyan, matulog na si Darian. Dariana, pasok doon. Okay, let us continue, guys. And verse 15. At least hindi ako nagkakita. Okay, magdahog ka na lang sa akong English. Verse 15. Like dogs roaming about for food and growling if they do not find enough. Verse 16. But I will sing about your strength. Every morning I will sing aloud of your constant love. So, guys, are you there, guys? I already read the book of Psalm chapter 59 verse 16. But I will sing about your strength. Every morning I will sing aloud of your constant love. You have been a refuge for me, a shelter in my time of trouble.